Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheetal and in today's video I'll be sharing how to do a papaya facial at home. In this video I will show you guys using papaya how you can make papaya cleanser, scrubber, moisturizing cream and mask just by using a simple home remedies. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. As we all know that papaya is an excellent source of vitamin C, A, potassium, magnesium and fiber, which naturally detoxifies your skin and helps to reduce the pigmentation, and also it removes the dead and damaged skin from your face. I'll cut the papaya into cubes and I'll add this into a blender and I'll blend this without adding a water, and the paste looks something like this. First step is to cleanse your face. To make a papaya face cleansing, you need 1 tablespoon of papaya paste. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Then I'll take half tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients really well so that it becomes a thick paste. Now I'll cleanse my face using this papaya face cleanser. I'll apply this all over my face and I'll massage my face gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Cleansing your face is very important before you could start your facial, because cleansing helps to remove your dead skin cells, oil, dirt and other impurities from your face. Now I'll take a wet tissue and I'll wipe my face completely. Next step is scrub. To make this papaya face scrub, you need 1 tablespoon of papaya paste. Then you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. And I'll mix both the ingredients really well. Now I'll apply this paste all over my face and I'll scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. Scrubbing helps to remove your blackheads, whiteheads and also helps to remove your tan from your skin. This also exfoliates your skin and prevents from so many skin related issues. Again, I'll take a wet tissue and I'll wipe my face completely. Third step is to moisturize your face. To make this papaya moisturizing cream, you need 1 tablespoon of papaya paste. Then I'll take a Amul fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, instead you can add fresh raw milk. And I'll add 1 tablespoon of honey. I'll apply this paste all over my face and I'll massage for 4 to 5 minutes. So this step helps to remove the dry skin from your face and it also hydrates and moisturizes your dry skin. The benefits of adding cream into this helps to prevent the wrinkle from your face and also it reduces the fine lines. So it's very important for you guys to moisturize your face every day so that your skin gets hydrated and leaves your skin healthy and glowing. Again, I'll take a wet tissue and I'll wipe my face completely. Now the last and final step is to make a papaya face mask. To make this mask, you need 1 tablespoon of papaya paste and then 1 tablespoon of yogurt or curd. And you need 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, or it is also called as a gram flour. I'll mix all the ingredients and I'll make this a thick paste. Now I'll apply this mask all over my face and I'll leave this mask for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries. This mask removes the tan and it also lightens your skin tone and it makes your skin smooth, soft and flawless. Trust me guys, this papaya facial helps to brighten your skin, reduces the acne and dark spots from your face, and it also reduces the wrinkles and fine line from your face. I personally use this facial monthly once. To get the better results, you can use this facial twice a month. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for the notification. In this way, you will not miss any of my videos. Until then, thank you so much and keep supporting me in this way. Thank you. Bye-bye.